Hey guys, Chris here with Coastal Steel Structures, and on this channel we provide you with the best tips, information, and showcase what people are doing with their prefabricated steel buildings. And in this video, I'm going to cover how insulation saves you energy and money. Let's get to the video. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heating and cooling account for 50 to 70% of the energy used in an average American home. Additionally, the EPA reports that insulation saves up to 600 times more energy than compact fluorescent lights, Energy Star appliances, Energy Star windows, and just like a prefab steel building, it can be recycled. Insulating a prefabricated steel building is the most cost-effective way to reduce energy costs and reduce the amount of energy that's needed to heat and cool a building. Insulation reduces heat transfer, it's designed to prevent condensation, helps absorb sound, and saves you money while you sleep. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any questions or if you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't done so already.